vintage Trane commercial air conditioner. I saw this a few months back, but did not get around to filming it until now. Now, I don't know if this is one big unit or two separate compartments into one, but it's got the spine thin coils. I can't read too much. I'd say this is from the 80s. But there's very minimal rust on some parts of the grill. But I think that's only because it's got this little shelter above it. Oh, and it's been running. Heck, I might stick around for a startup. Hopefully my GoPro is charged enough for me to get it. But yeah, this is really cool. Big old vintage Trane air conditioner.